Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by targeting the exact cells where zeros appear so you avoid accidental edits. This is critical. Select a range or the entire column now. Once done, choose which approach. Hide zeros for display, replace zeros with blanks for calculation clarity, or filter them out to remove from view. Make a quick copy of the sheet or range as a backup so you can revert if a formula or formatting gets altered. This saves time troubleshooting later. Now implement the chosen method. For a visual fix, add conditional formatting. Set a rule that applies white text to cells equal to 0 so zeros are hidden but still available for formulas. If you need true blanks, use an if formula. Equals if A2 equals 0, A2 and drag down or paste values after. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus F, search for 0 and replace with nothing. Be careful to limit search to selected range. Or filter the column and uncheck 0 to hide 0 rows. Finish by converting any formula results to values when you want permanent blanks. Copy and paste special values. Make sure to recalculate or press F9 and then inspect dependent formulas because removing zeros can cause divide by zero or aggregate differences. Update formulas to handle blanks accordingly. If something looks wrong, revert to your backup sheet or use undo immediately. One quick troubleshooting tip. If calculations change unexpectedly, search for formulas referencing those cells and add error handling like IFER or checks for 0.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.